Hello everyone, this is Rajamanikam and Nimuthu from QPT. This video is for telling about some best practices and tips to get the most out of ChatGPT and Gemini. First, let me start with some general tips. Be specific. Both ChatGPT and Gemini are powerful language models, but they thrive on clear instructions. The more specific you are with your prompts, the better the results will be. For example, instead of saying write a story, try write a sci-fi story about a robot who falls in love with a human. Next, provide context. If you are asking them to complete a task or generate content, give them some background information. This will help them tailor the response to your needs. For example, for a research prompt, instead of just saying tell me about the solar system, add can you summarize the planets in the solar system and their key features? Next, break down complex tasks. For larger projects, break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks for the AI to handle. For example, if you are writing a blog post, ask ChatGPT to generate separate sections like the introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Next, proofread and edit. While both AI models can generate impressive text, it is important to proofread and edit the output for accuracy, clarity, and style. Always check the output for factual accuracy, clarity, and style. Even AI models can make mistakes. Next, fact check. Double check the information generated by the AI, especially for factual topics. Now let us see some ChatGPT specific best practices. Focus on creative text formats. ChatGPT excels at generating creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. Use for brainstorming. Leverage ChatGPT's ability to generate different creative text formats to brainstorm ideas for content creation. Start simple. Begin with simple prompts and gradually increase complexity as you get comfortable with ChatGPT's capabilities. Now let us see some Gemini specific best practices. Multimodal input. Take advantage of Gemini's ability to process different data types, include images, videos, or code alongside your text prompts for richer results. Research and analysis. Utilize Gemini for research and analysis tasks. Praise your prompts to ask for summaries of complex topics or data analysis. Next, integration with Google products. If you use Google products like Docs or Gmail, explore using Gemini Advanced for enhanced functionality within those platforms. Additional tips. Experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and see what results you get. Provide feedback. As you use ChatGPT and Gemini, provide feedback on the outputs. This can help improve their performance over time. Identify their strength. Understand that each AI model has its strengths. Use ChatGPT for creative writing and brainstorming, while Gemini excels at research and multimodal tasks. Be ethical. Use these AI models responsibly and ethically. Avoid generating harmful content or using them for deceptive purposes. By following these best practices and tips, you can unlock the full potential of ChatGPT and Gemini and use them to enhance your creativity, productivity, and workflow. Thanks for watching this video. Now you can get my ebooks with a huge discount at www.rajamanikam.com by using the discount code QPT. Contact me if you are interested in earning a 50% commission for selling my ebooks. Thanks.